Real power is not about fear, it comes out of respect. With that good thought, this is Mr. Naresh Jangid. Welcome again in your online chemistry class. In previous class, we have discussed about nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this order of nucleophilic substitution reaction, today we shall discuss next example of nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is formation of amine. Formation of amines. When haloalkane is heated with alcoholic ammonia solution in a sealed tube at 373 Kelvin temperature and high pressure after alkylation of ammonia, very important. After alkylation of ammonia, a mixture of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines are obtained. Haloalkane is in excess, then quaternary ammonium salt is formed. For example, it is haloalkane molecule methyl chloride and it is ammonia molecule alcoholic ammonia solution is treated with, I repeat, when haloalkane is heated with alcoholic ammonia solution in a sealed tube at 373 Kelvin temperature and high pressure after alkylation of ammonia, mean hydrogen atom of ammonia molecule is replaced by alkyl group, then we get the formation of 1 degree amine, mean methyl amine. Again alkylation of 1 degree amine, mean here hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group. So after removing of HCl molecule here, then 2 degree amine dimethyl amine is formed. Similarly, again react with haloalkane molecule after removing of HCl, 3 degree amine is formed. During the reaction, hydrogen atoms of ammonia molecule are replaced by methyl group. In other words, we can say that after methylation of ammonia, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines are obtained. If ammonia is in excess, then only 1 degree amine is obtained. It is known as Hofmann ammonolysis reaction. Very important. Haloalkane is in excess, then quaternary ammonium salt is formed. So 3 degree amine again react with haloalkane molecule. Here nitrogen have not active hydrogen, so quaternary ammonium salt is formed. So it is tetramethyl ammonium chloride salt, quaternary salt. Now next example of nucleophilic substitution reaction, last Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction are of two types. First is alkylation and another one is acylation. Here ation, very important. Ation mean to add. In chemistry, very important. we have discussed about Friedel-Crofts reaction in class 11th. In class 12th, here Friedel-Crofts alkylation is in your syllabus. So let's start Friedel-Crofts alkylation reaction. In nitrobenzene, haloalkane react with benzene in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, which is Lewis acid. Very important. Alkyl benzene is formed. So it is benzene molecule and it is haloalkane molecule. Then haloalkane is treated with benzene in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, which is Lewis acid, in nitrobenzene solvent. After removing of halogen acid, alkyl benzene is formed. Here methyl benzene or toluene is formed. Due to aromatic nature of benzene, it is a electrophilic substitution reaction. Very important. Not nucleophilic substitution reaction. Very important. Similarly, ethyl chloride, isopropyl chloride and tertiary butyl chloride react with benzene. Then ethyl benzene, isopropyl benzene and tertiary butyl benzene is obtained here. In this reaction, hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by alkyl group. So alkyl benzene is formed in Friedel-Crofts alkylation. It is a electrophilic substitution type of reaction. Here carbocation is formed as a intermediate. Very important for competition paper. I repeat, it is a electrophilic substitution reaction. Here carbocation is formed as an intermediate. In 1 degree Rx, formation of alkyl halide aluminum chloride complex occurs, which acts as electrophile. But 2 degree and 3 degree Rx, carbocation is formed as an electrophile. So we take an example of haloalkane molecule, that is tertiary butyl chloride. It is tertiary butyl chloride. First off, by the help of AlCl3, which is Lewis acid, 3 degree carbocation is formed like this. It is 3 degree carbocation, which is most stable. After 3 degree carbocation attacks on benzene molecule, then arenium ion is obtained. So in second step, first step is formation of carbocation and second step is formation of arenium ion. So it is benzene molecule and it is carbocation, 3 degree carbocation. So after formation of carbocation attacks on benzene ring, then arenium ion is formed. So it is rhenium ion, which shows resonance. Carbonium ion of aromatic system is known as rhenium ion. Rhenium ion shows resonance, so these are resonating structure of rhenium ion. It is resonance hybrid of rhenium ion resonance hybrid. When carbocation is attached on benzene ring, then aromaticity is disappear because carbocation attached one carbon of benzene which have sp3 hybridization, after deprotonation of rhenium ion. Aromaticity is appeared and tertiary butyl benzene is formed. So third step is deprotonation. So it is resonance hybrid and it is nucleophile. After deprotonation of rhenium ion, aromaticity is appeared, mean this carbon have sp2 hybridization. So tertiary butyl benzene is formed here after deprotonation of rhenium ion. After that, we take some question for homework. Complete the following reaction. First point, methyl chloride and KCN. What will be the product? In second exercise, ethyl bromide and silver cyanide. What will be product? And in third reaction, ethyl bromide and potassium nitrate. What will be product here? Now next question for exercise. What forms in SN2 mechanism? Important question. For board examination, solution will be transition state. We have discussed about transition state in our previous class. Now next question for homework. Which reagent is used for the formation of methanol from methyl chloride? Very important question. After this, in organic chemistry, we can read methods of preparation and chemical properties of a compound by this chemistry roadmap. So we take a chemistry map for haloalkane. In this chemistry map, methods of preparation are in left side and chemical properties of a compound or haloalkane are included in rights of chemistry map. You can see this chemistry map for preparation at the time of examination. So easy for you. I hope you liked this video. Do share this video in your friend circle. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.